Good evening, everyone. We have with us Dr. Naresh. He just got his AMC exam results today and he has cleared the exam. So congratulations, Doctor.
Thank you, ma'am. It was really, very unexpected for me also. But still, I put my all my effort, and finally, I cracked the exam.
Yes, they say where there is a will, there is a way. So I'm sure that you
Yeah,
have put in a lot of hard work. So congratulations
yes.
again. So Doctor,
Thank you.
tell us like how did you, decide about starting this journey with AMC and academically?
Yeah, basically, I finished my MBBS in India only. So after finishing, I was prepared for 1 year of NEET PG. Then I understand the scope and I understand how it will be. There's a lot of hectic working hours and lot of trauma during the preparation and exam postponement, exam cancellation. There was so hectic trauma. So I decided to plan for any kind of abroad. So by searching and all, I fixed to Australia. Then I one of my friend suggested me regarding academically. So
Okay.
I booked for Dr. Akram meet in Hyderabad. So that's how I was introduced in this, and the next is all this happened.
Okay. So, Doctor, how much time did you take to prepare for the exam?
So actually, I started my preparation in December. Uh,
Mhm.
till February, I was continuing my preparation, but in the month of February to March, I couldn't do it due to some personal reasons. So I got disturbed for 1.5 month, and then I decided to give the exam at any cost in May. So initially, I thought I should give the exam in March, but due to some problems in the family and all, I decided at any cost I must give the exam. So I decided to give the exam in May and book my exam in the March itself. That means I put hardly 4 months.
Okay. So, how did you, I mean, like, if you could just describe, how did you go about the resources, like the PPTs, the mocks, and especially students get confused about guidelines, where to refer, and how much to go and refer to them. So, if you could just describe that.
So regarding resources, even I have so many doubts before giving the exam. Now after passing the exam, I got clear regarding the resources that academically resources are enough, just enough to pass the exam and add on with the recalls. That's it.
Mhm.
I did not go to any other books. Seriously, I used to bother watching all these interviews previously also. So how can I go to that guidelines, these guidelines? Yeah, we should go to the guidelines, but only to the updated guidelines, like screening guidelines. Some other only few are very important regarding guidelines. So rest of the theory part, investigation part, most of this same every time. So, regarding resources, I can say that uh, regarding theory part and mocks practice and all, academically is enough. Just before the exam month, we must go through the recalls, which are very, very important for cracking an exam.
All right. So, and tell us, were you attending the recall sessions that we had, and
Yes.
okay. So sometimes students get confused about recalls, they are like incomplete recalls, how to study from them. So what was your approach?
Yeah, usually everyone gets the recalls incomplete only, man. But the thing is, we need to understand that the same question never repeats. Even the slight
Yeah.
changes we may expect, but the topic remains same. So why I say recalls are most important means at the most of the time the previous or just the presenting month recalls are most repeated. We feel like the questions are same, but we must be clear that there may be chances of changing the question. So we must go through every question carefully during the exam also. Be better prepared with the recalls and the topics, not just the question and answer.
All right. I think, yeah, this is a very important point that you're raising. Like, also, like, grab your concept is basically you want to say, like, pick the topic
Yes.
and grab your concept, right?
Yes.
All right. So, what do you want to say to anybody like who is new to this journey? If somebody comes to you and you want to, guide them, so what would you say in like in summary?
If someone is planning very new, I can say that academically have everything to start with the very from the scratch. So there is no worry to for preparation and all. So all the content provided is enough, just enough. I can say that you don't need to. I did not go to the most of the books which shared by Bharati also. I just stick to the PPTs only because I was, at the end of the exam, we are not ready to go for the new resource, right? So which was prepared previously only. I used to make some short notes which I used to forget, like screening guidelines, which were we need to remember, which it's a very important for exam. So like this, some points we need to perfect. Some are theory based we can able to remember, but the points which we usually forget, we need to make a proper notes. We need to revise before the exam. Just having the short notes and with the recalls are most important during the exam time.
All right. Thank you very much, Dr. Naresh, for sharing your insight, and we wish you all the very best in your future journey.
Thank you, ma'am.